Assalamu alaikum dear friends, I hope you all will be fine. Today I have this sheet for you which is made in Microsoft Excel, and there is some VB coding. So the first sheet is named as data, you can see it here, and the second sheet is named as result. Okay, so this is in this column we have addresses, and there are different cities named like Quetta and Karachi, Kabul and Morocco. Okay, so if I want to pick some addresses containing specific city name, for example like Morocco, I will write the Morocco name here and I am going to click the find button. Then let's check the result on the second sheet. Morocco has been picked. Okay, so let's try one more city. For example, let's make it Karachi this time and press the find button. You can check that we have this person named Salim from Karachi. Let me check that is there only one person from Karachi? Yes, just one person. So it means that this is working all right. So I hope this might be helpful, and if you click the design and click this button, you can see the code working behind this widget. Okay, so it's quite easy, and I hope this is going to solve your problems. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.